Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video, we're actually going to be taking a look at US dollar yen as price looks to be breaking out to the upside. So we've got a bit of yen weakness in the markets at the moment, a little bit of a risk on play going on compared to sort of the end of sort of last week where we saw price kind of pull back a little bit from this area here at the 132 sort of 75. We saw a little bit of a pullback in there yesterday, and then over sort of the Easter sort of Monday we saw price rally to the upside, breaking through key levels of structure and then heading back up to these highs here at the 133.75 handle. Price then fell away a little bit. Now I was looking for the yen to continue to weaken going into this week. Now it looks like what we've had is the new Bank of Japan governor, the inauguration of the new Bank of Japan governor, and basically the new governor vows to stick with easing monetary policy for now. So very much a typical Bank of Japan outlook at the moment. There's no real changes to what's been going on in the Bank of Japan, so we could expect the yen to continue to weaken further. Now obviously the yen has been an interesting play of late. We've usually seen this sort of yen strength in the market, and that was down to a lot of uncertainty in the market, a lot of banking pressures, which then caused the sort of yen to strengthen. Now we talked about seeing price bottom out towards this 129.70 handle. The reason why we were looking at that was because of this sort of weekly chart. We saw this bearish candlestick and it broke through that weekly low and closed higher. So we were expecting maybe some kind of a move higher, maybe towards the 137.75. So on the 4-hour time frame, you can actually see I placed an alert at 132.80 because that's where I was looking to see if price would retest in order to see a potential move to the upside. So I was looking to see if this pullback would come back in there, and then I was looking to see if buyers would step in to drive prices up to the next level of resistance, with the view to see price coming all the way up into that 137.75 handle. However, we didn't quite hit that support point. Price instead has carried and rallied to the upside, and now we're back at key structure highs. So I want to do a little bit of waiting here. I don't like to look at opportunities around previous highs. I would rather look for price to come back down, even back into this low here or into the alert that I've got set, and then look to see if traders are getting back to the long side here on dollar yen. Alternatively, what I'll be looking for is price to trade above these highs here at the 133.80. If it does, and then we consolidate around here, and then we look to see if traders get long again, I'll be looking to see bullish price action opportunities potentially around this point, with a view of trading towards this area here, which is around about the 134 spot, so the 60 up to the 135 spot 20. But ultimately overall target could be around about this 137 spot 75. Obviously we had lots of selling pressure there before. Could we see the same thing happen again if price were to reach that point? Now obviously we do have a lot of dollar data this week. There could be still some volatility around. Headline risk is still high, so it could just change completely over the course of the sort of week. So I would be also very, very cautious of that. But price action at the moment, back in that yen weakness, seeing the risk on sentiment returning back to the market. Yen weakness could continue in the short term into key structure points. Thanks for watching this video update. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the YouTube channel to see some more Forex trading content. And I'll speak to you in the next video.